plants for your garden that are hard to kill. Color Spires Azure. Snow Salvia. Salvias offer natural flower spikes in summer sun, but color spires. Azure Snow Salvia rises above the others with its showy bicolor flowers. That's right. This pretty little salvia hybrid gives you deep violet blue and white flowers on each generous stem. Glitters and glows Viburnum. No more disappointment when purchasing an all that glows or an all that glitters Viburnum and not realizing that they need each other as pollinators to create the beautiful blueberries. Pardon, My Lavender bee balm. Pardon, My Lavender bee balm is an absolute pollinator magnet in the garden. It will look like a pollinator convention with bees, hummingbirds, butterflies, and a host of other pollinators. Pugster White Butterfly Bush. A relative to the Pugster Pink Butterfly bush, this adorable butterfly bush gets its name from none other than the pug. It is cute, short, and stocky. If you are looking for a butterfly bush that produces full-size flowers but fits in small spaces, then this is the bush for you. Steeplebush. Steeplebush, or Spirea tomentosa, has tall, unbranched stems and small lavender pink flowers bloom in clusters near the top, creating a cone-like appearance. The blooms at the ends of the branches open first, and flowers gradually open in ascending order. Explore 40-plus plants for your garden that are hard to kill. Please visit plantaddicts.com for more info.